Are you frustrated with Gmail notifications not working on your PC? Don't worry, we've got you covered with some simple steps to get them back on track. First, let's check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for notifications. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that your Wi-Fi is working properly. If you're having issues, try restarting your router. Next, disable any VPN or proxy services you're using. Sometimes these can interfere with Gmail notifications. Just turn them off temporarily and see if that resolves the issue. Now let's move on to device updates. Keeping your operating system and applications up to date is important for smooth functionality. Check for updates in your settings and install any that are available. Then, we need to review the notification settings. Open Gmail in your browser, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner and select See All Settings. Navigate to the General tab, scroll down to Desktop Notifications, and ensure that notifications are enabled. If everything looks good, it's time to restart your device. A simple reboot can often fix many tech issues, including notification problems. So go ahead and restart your PC. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and notifications still aren't working, it might be time to contact Gmail support. They can help you troubleshoot any lingering issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Gmail notification problems on your PC in no time. Remember, a little patience goes a long way. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.